Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to edit a PLR video in a little bit of a unique way. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, also stick around to the end because we are going to be doing a little bit of a dad joke. Okay guys, let's go check out the content. Now, in this part of the video, we're looking at buy quality PLR. And what I actually grabbed yesterday when I created my last video was create and launch a new product. Now this is the one that I said I was going to be working on today. Now this is in fact a video course, and we'll actually grab that in just a moment and we will bring that up and we'll then start working on it. Now this is the actual course we're going to be working on. Now I think what we need to do to start off with is to go ahead and grab this particular video here. You'll see that if I was to click on that and bring it up, I'm just going to open that up and I'll show you what it looks like. Give me 1 second. I'll pause the video when it comes up. There we go, pause that. As you can see, it's got a strip like this, and what that is literally is just a Word document created like that. It's not a really great way of doing it, and I can show you a really good way on how you can seriously improve this. Now you can extract the audio as well, and you can use the audio from this if you want to, and that can be done too. So let me just quickly show you how to do that. Just going to shrink that down. Now first thing we want to do is we want to be able to bring up this one here. This is called Any Media Converter, and I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. It's free and I use it all the time. You might have your own media converter that you want to use, but this is one I use, and I use it all the time. It's fairly quick too, which is why I like it. So I'm just going to quickly go choose the video that I want, which is this specific one here, and it's going to be converting it from the video into the MP3, and we're just going to hit start converting, and this little man's face will change in just a moment. And we're going to be having that go into here, and this, as you can see, is where it's going to be kept. So that's exactly what we want right now. So what we need to also do now is to go across to Pictory. Right, now what I want to do here is to grab the video that we have right here. We're going to copy that. We're going to hit that, and we're going to now grab the very first video, and we're going to have it go into here, and then we hit upload. Now this is going to take a few minutes to do, so I'm going to pause the video until it's finished. Okay, as you can see, the transcription has finished. We're going to click on that, and we're going to be taken straight to where we need to go. So I'm just going to click on that and we'll go over here. One of the things we want to do is remove the ums and ahs, which is exactly what we want to do. And we can now download this as a text format. So I'm just going to download this, and I'm going to be putting this where we were keeping the other ones. So we're going to be keeping it in here and in the video section, and we're going to be keeping this as the text for the video 1. So we're going to be saving that there just to make it easier so we know what we're doing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here to Pictory, and in the script and video section we're going to now click on that, and we're now going to grab this text and we're going to open that up, and you want to find where the natural breaks are. We're just going to grab this entire thing, copy that and pop that straight into here. Now you might see that there are a couple of mistakes because this is literally done without him actually stopping. This is so important. Not still. Okay, so get rid of that there, get rid of I myself create new video products, new products every month for a membership, and sometimes there we go. and sometimes I choose to launch them. So in terms of, okay, so let's have a go. Well, let's proceed with this. We'll use this one here, and we'll see what it comes up with. We may need to change some of the visuals, which won't be hard to do at all. Now, another really cool thing that they have got done is, you see how you got the long text just here? Welcome to this course in which I'm going to teach you how to create a new product every month. And then we can click on that. We can put the cursor just there, and we can split the screen, and we can make sure that they're linked and launch a new product every month. So that's good. Go click on here. This is a great skill to have. Why is it so important? Well, a lot of successful marketers out there. Okay, cool. All right, so we may need to break this one up a little bit. A lot of successful marketers out there are good at launching new products consistently. Okay, that's not too bad. That's fine. We'll keep it as is. We can always change the video if we want to, and see what visuals we come up with. Okay, so we need to go to the visual section. In this particular one, I meant to put then here video product or digital product. Hit enter and see what it comes up with. That's good. Okay, we can just do that. That's good. We like that. I like that one. So that makes more sense to the topic and the screen. And as you go through, you can go through each of the screens to make sure it's going to fit. And be sure it's going to suit your needs. Okay, so you just keep going until you have a look. That looks pretty good. So let's now preview this. We can now hit preview and see what this is going to be like. Okay, so let's now go to the audio section and let's put a voiceover in. We can either upload the voiceover ourselves or we can use their voiceover. So I'm going to actually upload a voiceover. Okay, let's go over here. Let's upload a voiceover. We can go over here. Because we already have his voice just here, let's now go over and we'll grab the voiceover which we extracted earlier. There we go. Make sure this is the right one. Create and launch a new, that's the one. Go in there, video. That's the one we want. And in just a moment, it'll ask us if we want it to go across all the audio, all the video screens, and we can say yes. Yes, so we want it to go to the entire video just there. Does your voiceover include intro and outro? No, it does not. So I'll be pausing the video whilst this is uploading. This will take a while, and while it's uploading, this can be going ahead. So I'm just going to pause the video. Well, that appears to have worked really quickly. That was a lot faster than expected. Okay, so let's hit play and we'll have a quick look at what this is like.
How to create a new product every month and launch a new product every month, and this is a great skill to have. Now, why is this skill important? Well, a lot of the successful marketers out there are good at launching new products consistently, and that's the thing with internet marketing, is that you always have to have fresh new products out there. So this course is going to go over that. I myself create new products every month for a membership, and sometimes I choose to also launch them. So
okay, all right, so that's good. There are a couple of screens I'd probably remove, like for example this one here. I'd probably choose a different video for that, but you know, once you've gone through and done all that, this is really easy to do. So I'm going to be hitting that, go digital product creation, and we can just choose this one here that it'll do, very nicely. Let's move across to another one. This one here is it's become second nature for me to create products. Okay, go create, or sitting on computer, sitting at computer. Hit enter. Hopefully this is good and it's not frustrated on the computer. We'll have a quick look.
It's become second nature for me to create products, so I'll give you some.
So that's good. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Let's move on to the next screen, make sure it's okay. So I've got some tips on how to do this. Okay, let's go tips. That'll do. That's good. So we'll go through to the next one. And I think that's all there is to it. That becomes the outro that I've originally put in there. Right, now let's go delete on this one by clicking on the screen here and hit delete just there. That will remove that in the screen. Done. All good. Now we have finished. Now we need to go down here to style. I'm going to choose this particular style, nice and dark, easy to see. So we can do that. And then that'll be all good to go. This will be the one in how we want to do this. Now, of course, this was just done quickly and I've just rushed through it all. But there's also other aspects we need to consider as well. Okay, so what we're looking at this particular part, the rest of them are nothing more than just PowerPoint slides. Or in this particular part, just slides. But this one here, actually he goes along and shows you something. And this particular one allows you to be able to see that he's showing a specific part of Warrior Forum. And it's unfortunately an old version of Warrior Forum. And the products he shows are quite old. So I want to quickly show you something and how you can do something here. So we're just going to click on that. We're going to very quickly open that up.
In this video, I want to show you how I
pause there for 1 second. I'm going to take this across to about the 1 minute 30 second mark, 1 minute 20 second mark. It's too far. Go back a bit.
On that, something that caught my attention.
More. About there.
Number one here, it says.
Okay, so he's actually showing the products just here. And he shows this one and this one. And then he shows something else down here. What you really want to be able to do is remove that part where he shows just a couple of different parts, and he can actually we can remove that by using this particular couple of things we can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract that one. I'm going to choose the file. We're going to go over here. We're going to grab that one. We're going to now extract that one, and this will only take a couple of seconds. This is usually really quick. Because it's only a 3-minute video, it doesn't take long. There, we're done. Okay, so now we have the second one, and this is video ID number 2. So what I'm going to plan on doing is I plan on going to my video editor, which happens to be, in this particular case, it happens to be Camtasia. So I'm going to remove these ones right here. And we're going to go over here and we're going to import and grab that one we were going to be working on. So we're going to grab this medium and we're going to grab this audio and we're going to grab that. Bring that down to here. We want to turn that up as loud as we can without being obnoxious. We want to grab that across and take it to about the 1 minute 20 second mark. So around about there, or too far, but we'll take it back once we get that fully extended. Take that back to about the 1 minute 20 second mark, give or take. There we are. So around about there. And we can listen to this and see what it's like.
So number one here.
Okay, so from about here, I will cut that. And I know that there is a section here we need to get rid of. So I'm just going to pause the video while I am finding the last part that I need to cut out. Okay, we're back. Now, you'll know this will actually, when I shrink it down, I've taken this section out because this is the section in where he is actually speaking about a specific product that was relevant for 2007. So I'm purposely removing that section, and then I'm going to be dragging this across to here. Now let's have a listen to see what this sounds like now. I'll take this up a little bit closer and see if you can really tell, that we've actually removed this section. So just listen to this.
You'd be interested in learning about. I'd probably click on that, read the sales page, and I'd probably even buy the...
You see, it just flowed straight on beautifully. And with that idea, he's just continued on with what he was talking about. Now, what I would do in this particular case, I know that at the beginning of the video, there's also another glitch, because I have gone over this video through practicing it. I know that there is a little glitch that I need to remove. So just give me 1 second. I'm just going to play this for 1 second.
In this video, I'll show you how I generate ideas for...
Okay, so it says in this vish, and so let's go.
In this video...
Okay, so from here, I want to go to there.
Show you how I... I want to show you how I...
Alright, so go to here.
I want to show you how I generate...
Alright, that'll do, right there. So I know that that is the spot in where I need to cut it. So I just hit that. Remove that section just there. And we'll take that back to the beginning.
I want to show you how I generate ideas for the products.
And we can literally make sure that there are no breaks or anything like that. So highlight over the top of that. And that is exactly what we want to do now. This is where we want to save it. I'm going to save it as an audio. And I will save that there. Keeping that as an audio. We're going to keep it there. We're going to put this back in the original folder we had it from. Let's go audio 1. No, audio 2. Call that one audio 2. And we can place that straight into that folder just there. And we'll let that do its thing, and it will be fine once it's finished. And then once we've done that, we can then rinse and repeat. We can then extract this audio. We can then transcribe that audio, and we can then create this, and we can actually have this entire thing created using Pictory and also another bit of video editing software. Okay guys, time for the joke. Now if you would like a copy of Pictory, just click the link down below and use the product code PHW. Now that'll give you 20% off. A man checked into a hotel one day. There was a computer in his room, so he decided to email his wife. However, he accidentally typed in the wrong email address, and without realizing his error, he sent the email. Meanwhile, somewhere was a widow who had just come home from a funeral after burying her husband. The widow decided to go check her emails. She was expecting messages from friends and relatives. After reading the first message, she fainted. Her son rushed into the room to find his unconscious mother on the floor, and then he read the email. It said, "To my loving wife, subject, I have arrived safely." The email continues, "I know you're surprised to hear from me. They have computers here now, and we're allowed to send emails to our loved ones. I've just arrived safely and just checked in. I see that everything is prepared for your arrival tomorrow. Looking forward to seeing you. I hope your journey was as uneventful as mine." Now if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.